Here we have a crystal red and clear rear light set. This is for the BMW E39 5 Series Saloon. This is only suitable for the pre-facelift model, so this runs from 1996 to around 2000. So now we finally have these out the box, let's have a quick close-up and have a look. These are made by Depot, so again always the highest of build quality. These are finished in a really nice crystal red and clear plastic. These rear lights are also designed to accept the original bulb holders off your vehicle, so they just click directly into these rear lights. These are fully road legal, they are E-marked, and they are also MOT compliant. There is also a pack of reflectors should you need them for your MOT.